Welcome to yet another event by Hi TV. And today we are at Trillium Hotels and VIP Residencies to analyze this new concept of the paradigm shift in sunset living. Come with me to find more details.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Let me warmly welcome the members from the media community. We are here because of a very special transformation of my business is taking place, and again it is very important and a very interesting day in my life, because I had a dream to create or establish a very exclusive upmarket complex dedicated for, we call it senior living, sunset living in this country, offering all the modern comforts and privileges to those who wants to spend their sunset or twilight years, freedom that they enjoy in their young life when they are aging old. And again, we will rewrite and redefine the status of retirement living in this country, converting this beautiful 5-star boutique city hotel into a place where the much deserving the retirees who will spend their life in a very comfortable style. This will be the only facility in Sri Lanka, I think even in the world, that registered 5-star boutique city hotel will convert into a retirees residencies, providing 5-star comforts, gourmet meal, full accommodation, coupled with medical management and care by professional medical staff. And we have assigned top class doctors and physiotherapists and the other necessary staff to give much needed care and protection to this community. And in addition to those care facilities, we will provide services equivalent to 5-star hotel, the housekeeping, linen service, the butler services, and everything related to comforts and related to hotel. This is a registered tourist hotel, and we have 34 very luxurious rooms with designer furniture and best beddings and linens.
As people age, I feel that they are more inclined or more happier to be around communities and be a part of communities. And one thing we feel is that most families, as they tend to keep their parents or their elders with them, they tend to, with their busy lives, as Chairman mentioned, tend to distance slightly because of that.
I don't think that this type of facilities is not available anywhere in the world. And not only that, we are looking at expansion also once we reach our objectives in getting the members into this. We have secured a land in Maharagam area, very close to nature, overlooking paddy fields, 2-acre property, where we are trying to build another 100-room similar facility to expand this and provide these services to the discerning members also.
And as mentioned before, one of the biggest problems that a lot of people face is the isolation that you face when you come to a certain age. I think a facility like this will prove to be very useful in establishing, for allowing people of that age to establish connections with each other and still maintain that.
I have with me Chairman of Trillium Hotels and VIP Residencies, Janaka Ratnayaka. How are you feeling today?
Great.
Right. So in conversation that you mentioned, the paradigm shift in sunset living. Can you actually explain it to everyone at home?
Yes, what we are looking at is a complete change or paradigm shift in aged care living over here, where it is a stigma at the moment because people think very negatively of aged care. Now, what we are trying to do here is to establish a proper complex where all the comforts that you enjoy today as a free human being to be continued until your last day. with the comforts that you can have, what we have been enjoying right throughout. Now see, we are looking at a niche market to be addressed, where the people who wants to look for comforts and the convenience and the privileges to be continued right throughout with dignity and freedom. This is what we are looking at.
Okay. Can you explain a bit on the amenities that are possible with this project so that everyone at home would also know that?
So this will be the only facility in Sri Lanka and in the world. A registered 5-star boutique city hotel is converted into a aged care facility where the retirees will spend their rest of their life with fully fledged hotel environment with all the amenities standard for luxury living. We are looking at full accommodation of 5-star accommodation. We are looking at bedding and best linens. We are looking at housekeeping. We are looking at butlers. We are looking at professional doctors to come and manage your medical the care and things like that. It's 24/7 operation where the elderly care will be at a next level. We are trying to raise the bar of the industry.
Thank you so much. Thank you for your time. I have with me Rachita Ratnayaka, Director of Trillium Hotels and VIP Residencies. Just want to get the thought process behind this project in particular.
Okay, so as Chairman mentioned, this has been a project that we've been looking at for the last many years. Actually, he's been looking at it for the last many years, mainly because it's something personal to him. He's always had the idea that 20 years down the line, when he is not as able as he is, he would like to probably move to a location where he's more taken care of and probably has the same amount of freedom and care that he has now. So it's sort of an idea that's now translated into, we're looking at it in terms of a facility where we want to give the same opportunity to those who are looking at it in a point of view that he is.
Can you just elaborate on the amenities that are available here for everyone at home who's considering this kind of investment?
So we'll be looking at it in a point of the hotel. So it won't change majorly. The only difference that we'll probably bring in is the care aspect. So which we feel will be important as people age. So there'll be doctors on call, there'll be consultants, there will be matrons, medical officers who will be available 24/7 looking into the medical aspect of things. So that is probably the most important thing. Other than that, I would say, in my personal opinion, the most important thing is the community factor. So as we grow older, I think what makes us happier is the fact that there are people who are like-minded, who like to probably exchange the same views and have the same thought process, mingle and continue to keep each other company.
I have with me Lekhya Ratnayaka, Director of Trillium Hotels and VIP Residencies. How are you feeling today, Lekhya?
Well, really excited that I'm here with you guys as well.
All right. Can you elaborate a little bit on this project in particular?
Sure. So this started off as a bit of a passion project of our chairman, as mentioned during the press conference earlier as well. This idea has been in the pipeline for almost, I think, around 10 to 15 years, roughly. So the whole idea behind this is to help enable people that are considered retirees and help redefine this whole retiree residence segment within the country, and really nurture that industry and bring it up.
So this is rather a passion project of the chairman, but can I know a little bit more about the other projects in the pipeline?
Sure. So within, we're obviously a real estate company, as many of you might know. So we're focused on residential real estate quite a lot. We diversified into hospitality around 3 years ago. So this has been a little pivot within the hospitality segment. So now we're moving back to the real estate segment again with this property, pivoting and making this a purpose-built facility to cater to the retirees, as mentioned. But we're working on a couple of cool projects. So we are into a variety of different things right now. We're into IT, we're in real estate, we're into commercial real estate as well. Plus, we are looking to enter into blockchain. We've started getting into crypto and blockchain as well. So that's been pretty cool. Right now we've got a project in Havelock that's doing really well. So we just surpassed the 1 billion rupees sales value. We started that project in March, so that has been a really quick span that we were able to sell out most of our units there as well. Yeah.
Sounds interesting. Thank you so much, Lekhya. Thank you. And that's a wrap from all of us here at Trillium Resorts and VIP Residencies. I am Nisuri Gurusingha, signing out.